Hello students, welcome back. How are you all? I hope you're all fine and doing very good, very well in your studies. In the previous session, we have talked about the Heron's formula and we practiced some questions based on the Heron's formula. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to solve it further. I have left you with one question that we are going to solve, and then we are going to solve another question, and after that we are going to have some application part of the Heron's formula. Okay, so we'll be talking about the Heron's formula in some few minutes, but let's now deal with the question. Okay, the question is basically sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12, 17 and 25, and I've provided you with a hint of it that here you will be having a triangle, student, right? This is the triangle of us. This triangle is having A here, B this side, and C this side, right? Okay, now it's in the ratio 12, 17 and 25. Let's suppose we are just having it like X in it. So let's suppose that the first side A is 12x. This will give us B is equals to 17x and C equals to 25x. Okay, what is the benefit of it? That means perimeter is given, na? So perimeter is equals to 540 centimeters, which will be equals to 12x plus 17x plus 25x, isn't it? Okay, this implies that 540 centimeters will be equals to, add them, 5 to 7, 7, 7, 14, 4, 1, 3, 4, 5. So 54 of x. That means x is equals to, here, 10 centimeters. If x equals to 10 centimeters, that means A is going to be 120, B is going to be 170, and C is going to be 250. Okay, so you can also mark it here that let's suppose it is A, it will be A, so A will be 120, B will be, these all in centimeters, okay, these all in centimeters. Okay, here it is 120 centimeter, the B is 170 centimeter, and then here we'll be having the C is equals to 250 centimeters. Now it's asking the area. Okay, A you're having, B you're having, C you're having. So what you're not having is S. So S is equals to S is equals to perimeter by 2, half the perimeter, which is equals to 540 by 2. Now 540 by 2 is nothing but 270. That means the area will be here equals to root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That is going to be nothing but 270 okay, so 270 minus first 120, then 170, and then 250. This is going to be 270 as it is here. 270 minus 120, 0, 5, 1, 150. Okay, 0, 5, 1. Now come here, 0, 0 and 1. That is going to be 100. minus it, 0, 2, 0. So 20 here. Okay. Now again solve it. How many zeros you are having? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros here we are having. Alright, then we'll be having 270 multiply by 50 multiply by 2. Okay, so that is going to be 10 to the power 2 here, and it will be left with 2 multiply by 5, that is 10. 27 is 9 multiply by 3. So we have done with this, and this is 5 multiply by 3 and 2. Okay, so it will be, we are calculating further it here. So here it will be 100 and 2 square, 5 square, 9 square. Okay, so 2 square, 5 square, 9 square. It is 100 multiplied by 2, 5, 9, which is 10, so 1000. And 45 is equals to 45,000 answer, and this will be in the meter square. Understood? So that will be going to your answer. Understood the process, the method? Okay. The next question. An isosceles triangle has 30 centimeter and each of one side is equals to 12 centimeter. So first thing is you are having an isosceles triangle. Okay. These two sides are equal and this is the unequal side. So these two sides are equal. And it's clearly saying that it's having 30 centimeter. And each equal side is 12 centimeter. Okay, it is 12 centimeter. Each of equal side. Each of equal side is 12 centimeter. So the equal sides are 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Okay, now what is given? 30 centimeter. It is nothing but the perimeter. So the isosceles triangle has 130 meter as its perimeter. Okay, so this is 30 meter. So perimeter equals to 30 centimeters. A is given, let's suppose A equals 12 centimeter and this is also equals to B. That means 30 centimeters is equals to what? A plus B plus C is equals to 12 plus 12 plus C is equals to 24 plus C. This implies that C will be equals to 30 minus 24, that will be equals to 6 of centimeters. Okay, now S minus A will be equals to, S minus A will be equals to, S is what? The perimeter, half the perimeter. Okay, so we have to calculate that also. S equals to A plus B plus C by 2, which is equals to, A is 30, no, A is 12 plus 12 plus 6 by 2, this is going to be 24. 24 plus 6 is 30, 30 by 2 is 15 centimeter. Okay, 15 centimeters is S. This implies that area, now you can just have the formula equals to what? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That is going to be S. S is 15. So 15 minus A, 15 minus B, 15 minus C. So value of A and B are 12 and C is 16. Okay, so 12 minus 15 minus 12 is 3. So that's going to be 15. 15 can be written as 5 multiplied by 3. Now this is what? 3 and 3. So 3 and 3. Here we'll be having 15 minus 6, which is equals to 9. 9 is again 3 multiplied by 3. Now solve it. It's going to be 1, 2. So 9 multiply by root 15 in the centimeters, right? Centimeter square will be your answer. Okay, just have the calculation, look at the calculation and do also it with me, so that in case any confusion you can correct it. So the process is like that only. Now we'll be talking about the application of Heron's formula in finding the areas of quadrilateral. Okay, I'm having 4 points. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a polygon having 4 sides. Okay, and the quadrilateral then will be having many types of it in it. Okay, so we are going to study first the quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is polygon with 4 sides. That can be equal, unequal, parallel, non-parallel. Okay, so based on this equal, unequal, parallel, non-parallel, quadrilateral may be of a specific forms. Specific forms of quadrilateral. Two things can happen. With the quadrilateral, it may have 2 sides equal, or you can say opposite sides equal, first thing, right? Or it can have all the 4 sides equal. Okay, if it's having opposite sides equal, that can be, that will be what? A parallelogram. Okay, but if in that it is having also all angles equal to 90 degree, then it becomes a rectangle. Okay, here all the 4 sides equal, that will be a rhombus. But if it's having all the sides, all the angle equal to 90 degree, it will become what? A square. Okay, so basically we are having a parallelogram like this. Here these 2 opposite sides are equal to each other. This side is equals to this and this side is equals to this. That is AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. This is a parallelogram. If I talk about the rectangle ABCD, AD is equals to BC and AB is equals to CD. Also these 4 angles are 90 degree. So this is a rectangle. Now, if these four sides are equal to each other, 1, 2, 3, 4, four sides are equal to each other, and these are two set of parallel sides, then AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Okay, here these two angles and these two angles will be equal. Now, if I'll be having these four sides, the specific case of rhombus, these four sides are equal and these are what? 90 degrees. So that was rhombus, and this is going to be square. Okay, this is about the quadrilateral. Now, the basic application of it, if you're having some field, okay, you have known many of fields not in the shape of triangles, but maybe in shape of quadrilateral, or you can divide a big irregular shaped field into some areas that can be triangle, that can be quadrilateral. So, if you divide these fields in quadrilaterals, then finding out the area of each quadrilateral will help you in finding out the area of the total field or the total area of that thing. Okay, so this is the same thing we are going to do it in the application part. We are going to find out the areas of quadrilateral. Why? So because any quadrilateral you can just divide them into triangles. Now you know how to find out the area of this triangle, how to find out this area of this triangle, whether they are equilateral or scalene or isoscalene, you can find out. So by finding these two areas, the first number and the second number, you can just add 1 and 2 area and find out the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, so this is the application part of it. So talking about the first question of it, or let's suppose the example. It's here, student of a school staged a rally for a cleanliness campaign. They walked through the lanes in two groups. One group walked through the lane A, B, B, C and C, A. Okay, so basically you're having here this A, B, C, D, okay, as a quadrilateral, right? So we are going to draw it. This is A, B, C and D. This is a quadrilateral. Then one group walked through the lanes A, B, B, C and C, A. A, B, B, C and C, A, while the other through A, C, C, D and D, A. Okay, so the common side is AC here. AC is here also and here also. Okay. Then they have cleaned the area enclosed within their lengths. AB equals to 9, BC equals to 40. AB equals to 9. BC equals to 14. Okay. BC equals to 40, CD equals to 15. This is 40. And CD equals to 15. Okay, DA is equals to 28. DA equals to 28. And angle B equals to 90 degree. Angle B is equals to 90 degree, right? Which group cleaned more area and by how much? Find the total area cleaned by the students. Okay, we have to find out the total area cleaned first thing, and then the second thing we have to find out both the areas. Okay, and the common side is basically AC. So the common side is AC. AC is the common side. Okay, and this given any information about AC? No. Okay. So basically this is your question that we are going to draw it again. We are having a quadrilateral shaped area. Let's suppose this is the quadrilateral. This is A, B, C and D. We are having students cleaning this area, this A, D, C, and this area A, B, C. Okay, two groups of students are there. Some students are having cleaned this area, and the second group is cleaning this area. Now, which group is cleaning more area? How much more? Okay, and the total area. So, total area you have to find out. You have to find out this area, and you have to subtract the smaller one from the higher one in order to get the difference. Okay, okay, and it's here 15. It's having here 40, sorry. Here it's having 9. And we're having here 28. Okay. The first important thing we have to do is to take a look whether the units are centimeter or not. So all the units centimeter, meter, 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 meter. So all in meters. Okay. So we are going to have all in meters, right? So correct it as meter. Okay. Now, finding the area of the first triangle and the second triangle, this is 90 degree. This is given 90 degree. Angle B is given 90 degree. Total area is equals to area 1 plus area 2, isn't it? Now, area of triangle ABC is equals to half multiplied by base multiplied by height, because in this case I know the complete thing, the base and height also. So I can have this as B. The base is, let's suppose the base is 9 meters, so 9 is base and the height is 40. So that will be 180 meter square. Now 180 meter square is the area of the first one. Okay. Area of, in order to get the area of it, you will be getting the value of this side AC. Okay. Also, in triangle ABC, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is giving AC square equals to, or AC equals to root of AB square. AB is 9. Okay. So 9 square is 81 plus 40 square is simply this. Now that is going to be 1861. Okay, so 1681. This will be the square of 41, I guess. 41, 4, 16, 8, 1861. So that will be equals to 41 of what? 41 of meters. So now this is 41 meters. Okay, we have calculated with the help of the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this is 41 centimeter. Understood it? The area of this first area is equals to what? 180 meters. So I am removing this 180 meter square. I am removing this. Okay. Now, area of triangle ADC will be equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Value of S here, we can calculate it here, in this part. S for this will be equals to 28 plus 41 plus 15 by 2. That is going to be 8, 9, 14. Okay, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is going to be 42. So 42 is S. 42 minus 42 minus 42 minus. Put the values here. The values are what? 28, 41, 40, 28, 41 and 15. Right? Okay. So here we having 42. This will be 1, 4, okay, and 1 here, so 14, and here it will be 7 and 2, so 27. Okay, now you can further calculate it. That's going to be 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, and here 3, 9, 3s are 27. Okay, so now solve is 7, 2, 3, again 3. 14 multiplied by 9. 126. Okay, 126 of centimeter square. So the first area will be having 180 centimeter square, 180 meter square, not centimeter square. This is also in meters. So complete it here, correct it here. This is meters. Okay, so here it will be 126 meter square, right? 126 meter square. Here the first area is 180 meter square and the second area is 126 meter square. Understood? That means total area, we will be talking about the total area. That is going to be 306 meter square. And difference is equals to 180 minus 126, that is going to be 4 here and 5 here. So 54 meters square area were cleaned by the group 1 more than the group 2. So these are the answer. Just carefully look into the calculations of it, and we have done with this question also. Right, now with the next question, we are going to solve this next question in our next lecture. Till then, students, keep watching and take good care of yourself. Keep studying. Take care. Bye bye.